love Drew?
Deal with that now. Deal with it later. Don't do anything. Just stay exactly.
Do you love Drew?
Stop thinking about it.
You mean like you loved Mom?
Forget about me, Mom. Are you going to marry him?
Probably.
Listen, I'm crazy about the guy. He's smart, he's aggressive, he could carry parish communications into the 21st century and me along with it.
Mm-hmm. So what's wrong with that?
That's for me. I'm talking about you. It's not what you say about Drew, it's what you don't say.
Maybe you're not listening.
Oh, yes, I am. There's not an ounce of excitement, not a whisper of a thrill. And this relationship has all the passion of a pair of titmice. I want you to get swept away. I want you to levitate. I want you to sing with rapture and dance like a dervish.
Oh, that's all?
Yeah, be deliriously happy, or at least leave yourself open to me.
Okay. Be deliriously happy. I shall do my utmost.
I know it's a cornball thing, but love is passion, obsession, someone you can't live without. I say, fall head over heels, find someone you can love like crazy and who'll love you the same way back. And how do you find him? Well, you forget your head and you listen to your heart. I'm not hearing any heart. Because the truth is, honey, there's no sense living your life without this. To make the journey and not fall deeply in love, well, you haven't lived a life at all. But you have to try, because if you haven't tried, you haven't lived.
Bravo.
Oh, you're tough.
I'm sorry. Okay. Give it to me again, but the short version this time.
Okay? Stay open. Who knows? Lightning could strike.